So it's Wednesday today. We're expecting the news later on, and I believe this is when we're actually going to see what's going to happen next. Whether we will continue this pullback towards the upside, which I think it will happen, or are we actually going to see that the market is actually telling us that it's about to go down. So I actually think before the news or during the news we may see another pullback. Okay, but overall, I'm going to be looking for that same idea where I think the continuation of the pullback will actually happen, and we're going to be looking for levels around, let's check out the daily time frame, around the 38.2 level, which is right around 1.0570. But it's looking pretty decent. Here's the 4-hour chart. We've got this strong impulse to the upside. We've got a pullback towards the 61.8 level, and then we've got that rejection of that 61.8 as well, and price is now trading higher, right? So after the news today, we're going to be looking for this type of signal for a continuation to the upside. Now, so pound dollar looks even better, to be honest. Why? Because we've got that 61.8 retest. Okay, we've got that bounce off, then we have a pullback to again test the 61.8. But not only that, we actually traded slightly below this previous low, so we basically took out this liquidity, and then we've got a strong momentum to the upside, right? So this is an even better signal. It looks even better for potential buying opportunities. Overall, I'm expecting that we've got a low, we then have a higher low, and we're probably going to see that continuation higher. Focus on euro yen and pound yen. So we had a fake breakout here, and I do like those. As you can see, we traded slightly below this previous 4-hour low, below a major low, and then we've got a strong upside momentum. Considering that we are expecting to see an upside move on euro dollar and pound dollar, well, then that means there's a lot of profit potential here on the euro yen and pound yen pairs. But yes, together with the majors, we're probably going to see an upside continuation here on euro yen and pound yen as well, and I have a long bias. I'm not going to be looking for selling opportunities unless I see a strong rejection to the upside. But for now, we see exactly the opposite thing. We see bullish momentum coming into the market. But for now, we're testing previous resistance, which could now turn to be support. So let's see what's going to happen before the news. We may see price pushing slightly lower, and then we can see a strong momentum, and if that happens, obviously we're going to be looking for buying opportunities afterwards. So I have a long bias, but overall I'm expecting that today, with the help of the news, we're actually going to see that continuation higher. I'm just saying that before that we may see price pushing down, we may see price trading sideways, but trading gold before the news today will be quite risky. What's going on, everyone? It's already Thursday, 13th of February, and it's only a day after the analysis that you just saw. So we released this analysis on Wednesday morning, a few hours prior to the CPI news, and that analysis was shared with our premium Telegram members. Now we're going to check out each one of those pairs that you saw in the beginning of this video and see how price action reacted after the CPI news. All right, and if you look closely, you will see and you will notice that it did exactly what we expected it to do. So we're going to start off with euro dollar. This is the 1-hour time frame, and during that analysis yesterday, price was trading around this area. Now, just as expected, during the news we had an initial move to the downside. We then reached the levels around 1.0315 right here, okay, and it looks like price formed a higher low at that level. So as soon as we saw that rejection, we knew that there's going to be a momentum to the upside, and not just us, but all of our premium Telegram members as well. Now if you measure this move, it's about 115 pips to the upside. All right, and not only that, but it then continued pushing to the upside. All right, so we are expecting to see an upside continuation. But anyone who managed to watch this video yesterday morning before the news, they knew what to expect. So I know a lot of people got into long positions here on euro dollar. Now it doesn't matter if you're not trading euro dollar, maybe you're trading the yen cross pairs or maybe even gold. So we're gonna go over and check those out as well. But just have a look at pound dollar as well. What did we expect? I mean, price was trading around those levels here, around 1.2450 at the time the analysis was released. And then we had another move to the downside, right? Again, we formed a higher low, and then we had a momentum to the upside. Okay, so other people managed to get into long positions here. So the whole move, we're talking about 130, 140 pips to the upside. Okay, so as long as you know in which direction to trade, there's definitely enough for everyone, so everybody can make money as long as you know what are the key levels and what to expect from the market, right? So by us releasing that video a few hours prior to the CPI news, I know a lot of people managed to get into long positions on euro dollar and pound dollar. Now, what else? We also talked about euro yen and pound yen as well. So during that analysis, price was trading around, I believe, 158.50, maybe slightly lower, slightly higher. Nevertheless, we managed to get another just over 200 pips on this move as well. And we are expecting to see a continuation higher, not just on euro yen, but on pound yen as well. All right, so we've already tested those previous highs right here. And obviously, again, we are expecting to see a continuation higher also. Okay, but we may have a pullback now where, you know, for those out there who managed to watch the video before the news, well, they probably already got out of their positions. So you can see how helpful and how valuable the premium Telegram channel is. And lastly, we're going to have a look at gold. Here is the 1 hour time frame, and this is exactly what happened, right? You can go back and watch the video again, but we've got this previous structure right here. We've got the breakout, price coming back for a retest, and just as expected, we thought that there's going to be another move to the downside, price trading slightly below the horizontal level right here, just so you can take out many market participants who are going short, all right? And then we saw that big rejection candle right here on the 1 hour time frame. So we immediately knew that there's going to be a bullish momentum to follow. And that's exactly what happened. As you can see, we're already trading higher. And again, many people managed to get into long trades all the way down here. So they're currently holding profits, right? Some of them also already got out of their positions in profit. So this is pretty much what you get in the premium Telegram channel. You get daily videos, daily video updates on our setup. This is our whole watch list. It's about 20 instruments. So we go over each one of those, or at least most of those, every single morning from Monday to Friday. We send you the video with the updates, updated key levels, where we can potentially look for entries. Okay, what are our target levels, stop loss levels, and most important, what is the market direction? So we don't send out trading signals. We don't do that. We actually teach you how to trade, how to think and analyze the market as a professional trader. Okay. Now, if you think this is going to be helpful, if you think this is going to give you better trading results, well, don't waste any more time. Just join. Reach out to us via Telegram. You can join our free Telegram first. That's where you can find our private message contact links and stuff like that, or you can just go over to our website trendlineforex.com and you can join from the page for the premium analysis. Right, that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video.